Today is July 13th. Today is my birthday. So today I'm just going to be doing a birthday vlog. But before we get into how I celebrate my birthday, I have 2 hours and a half cheer practice, sun camp, yeah. But right now we're about to go to Publix to get some cupcakes or cookies for my cheer team. We just pulled up to Publix. Let's go in the store. Okay guys, we just made it to Publix. We gotta be in and out because
you got 10 minutes.
I can't be late. So it would normally be like in this area of the minis.
Huh? Perfect. Yeah, all y'all need is minis. I can do 1 chocolate and 1 vanilla.
Okay. How much do those are together? How much are they all together?
$10.
No, not the price. How many?
Oh, 24.
24? That's way more than enough.
Oh, you'll have extra.
I need a Gatorade. We gotta go back there. We gotta go to like the something section. So we just got the cupcakes.
Happy birthday, my 9-year-old.
Thank you.
Brianna got me running around early in the morning because she wants cupcakes for her cheer team.
It's something nice to do.
They got right here.
It's something nice to do because it's my birthday. Where's the Gatorades, guys? No. After this, I'm going to pick up my best friend Ava from cheer. I got me a cookie.
Got a free cookie from Publix. All right, let's go.
I should have asked for 2 because today's my birthday.
You could have.
Because they give you 2 on your birthday.
I see your cheer outfit.
Why?
You tuck that shirt in. That shirt too long. All right, they have left cheer, and now we are heading to. Oh, she got her bestie Ava with her, and now we are heading into Sweet Peas. So pretty. Anna got her Gigi way from Philly here for her birthday. Got her birthday Sunday.
Look, there's like blue ice cream on the bottom.
So what's the name of your drink, Ava?
Under the Sea.
Anna got the birthday Sunday.
The Under the Sea Sunday.
What's you chewing on? Oh, it's gummies on it.
The Under the Sea Sunday. Like a drink. No, that's where they cook. Oh. She moved back there. That's where they cook. Maybe go upstairs now? Yes. Wait.
Girl.
There's a bee. I thought that was frozen. I was about to take that.
Welcome to the candy shop.
I heard if you drink out of this cup, it tastes like ice. It tastes like ice cream. Mommy, they have cupcake pop tarts. I mean, not wait, cupcake pop rocks.
Oh, okay.
When I see candy.
We know.
That way.
Oh, they connected. It's like a necklace.
Hey, but look how this long is.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
All the pieces.
Oh, that one that fit in your box.
It's gonna fit today. Alright guys, we're back. We forgot to record from when we got back from Sweet Peas. We ate good and all that stuff. And my brother tried to put together my new motorcycle I got for my birthday, and he broke it. He dropped the piece in the middle. So now he has to come back tomorrow and fix it and take the whole front apart. And so now we're heading to Target so I can spend some of my birthday money.
Here we are heading into Target so she can Target. So she can spend these dollars she got.
102. I have more, but I spent it.
Yeah, she's been spending money like it's crazy. So I don't know why she can't hold on to nothing.
I had 68 more. I spent 68 so far.
So how much you about to spend in here now?
I don't know.
Oh, you put your purse in the basket. And you got 2. Let me check out the swimsuits. No, I'm gonna wear what I already got.
The Volcano Bay?
Yeah. I do need a new cover up though.
I already went home though.
Bestie is going home.
That is pretty.
I like this.
You gonna get it?
You gonna buy it for me? It ain't big enough. I need a bigger cup. I just like the design on it. And then they got the artwork right there.
Oh, that's cute. I bought some of the toys.
That's a nice doll down there.
I don't like the. It's cute, but I don't like the material. I like the plastic one. I like the rip me up plastic after acting brand new. I like that type of.
So you found it?
Yeah. Me first.
I thought
But
it was like a big old box she was looking for. I didn't know it was those little things. Let me see it.
me first.
So what's inside of it?
It's like these little things that you can get to like make.
Make what?
Like little things.
Things like what? Sound like you don't really know.
I do know. It's just hard to explain.
You gonna buy your mama something?
Huh?
You gonna buy your mama something?
For what?
You said for what?
I said what?
I don't know, I'm just asking. You know, I have money, I be buying you stuff. Now you got money, you can buy me stuff.
It depends on what it is.
Maybe I'll find something.
How does it work?
Put it underneath it.
Oh.
Not so close. There you go.
$10.
Told you, $9.99.
10, 20, 30. You tricked me.
I didn't trick you. I'm just letting you know that you got other stuff and other places you're going to be going to. So
Yeah, but
you don't
tricked
want
me
to
for that.
spend all your money in Target. I'm just saying that's a smart decision. I think this doll up here is so pretty. All 3 of them. I love this one's here.
Yeah. So y'all, I switched my unit. Instead, I got some like nails. So yeah. Now we're stuck.
Yep,
Together.
stuck like glue.
I love this part
Wow.
because it goes dark and water shoots at you. Alright, it started raining on us. Cut our time short.
Yep, so we think the park is going to close because it's lightning and thundering.
It's
so
totally gonna close because it's like 5 o'clock and it closes at 6.
everybody knocked out sleep after the park. Alright, we made it to our hotel. If you've never been to Orlando and came to Boston Lobster Feast, it is a must. All you can eat lobster, crab legs, blue crab, shrimp, and so much more. You look cute today. What you gonna eat? Or what you gonna order? And you wanted some cheesecake.
I get a Sunday. It's a cheesecake. Whoa.
Grab your plates.
Thank you.
Ooh, Siani.
Chocolate on the side.
Pretty. Alright, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Siani. Happy birthday to you. Alright, make a wish, girl. That was a fast wish.
Alright guys, so we're back from Cheesecake Factory. I had a good little brunch, and I just got back from Ulta, and now we're going into Five Below.
Back home, and her brother saved the day. Got the bike
No,
on.
he missed the day.
Daddy saved the day.
He messed up today.
Oh, yeah, brother messed up today because he kind of dropped the pieces in it, and then Daddy came and saved the day.
Broke it.
So now we're gonna go test this thing out.
Okay, let's. And then when I let it go, does it stop?
Look. Put your hand just a little bit.
I'm scared.
See? You recording, baby?
Yes, I am.
Might be a crash.
That's what I'm saying. She should have had elbow pads and a helmet.
There you go. There you go. You're good. Go ahead.
Go all the way down and turn
All
around.
the way down.
Lord, I'm scared on this turn. Oh my gosh, it's wobbling.
Go down.
That ain't the brake with your feet.
No, she broke.
Oh, okay. Good job.
Daddy,
You look tired.
Daddy, jog beside me. I'm about to go ride this thing.
Turn this down. There you go.
When I turn, I just go slow.
There you go. You can get the brake a little bit.
Oh gosh. She needs a helmet. I ordered it. Won't be here till tomorrow. She should have waited until the helmet came.
Mom, this is better than a bike.
Oh, but you
Girl.
the brakes. Yeah, don't do that.
This is better than a bike.
Not as safe as a bike either.
Yeah, you get hurt on that.
You can really get hurt. You don't want to be all scratched up.
Be careful.
She almost looks too big for it. I wonder what's the max speed on it.
Alright guys, so it's the next morning and I'm almost gonna go to camp. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And my birthday vlog is over. Bye, girlfriends.